All right, come on. Let's go, buddy. All right, it's 2:30 p.m. Um, we've had a break in the precipitation for a little while now. I decided before we get any more moving in, I might as well come on out and give the cats some food. And as I was coming out, I seen this guy out front. So, yeah, we are now traveling. Come on, let's go. We are traveling up here amongst all the wet leaves and everything. And, yeah, hi. Let's go. Come on. Go on up here, okay? Oh, yeah, nice and wet out here. Hi, China. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and put some of this food out so you guys can have it. I got this little one right at my feet. Okay, here we go. And yeah, all of this morning's food is gone. And speaking of this morning, so I have been uploading a half hour. Okay, there is a little bit left here, some old food. I have been uploading a half-hour video literally for hours now, okay? Hours today. Yeah, hi, buddy. Hi. And yeah, I'm not sure, the exact reasoning behind the delay. Okay, I just seen another little kitten out here. And it was not, come on, kitten. It was not the one that I was tending to, I don't think. I don't know. Yep, okay, there is movement back here of the little ones. Hi, Mamba. Come on up. Hi, PJ. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I know. And I emptied out the bowl, right? Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, I know. But you can go on up and eat with these guys. Mamba, you gonna bring up those little ones? Huh? I'm not putting any food over there for them. Well, okay, I will. Okay, she's sitting there waiting for them. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and move this. Seeing how these guys are eating. Okay, let's do that. These little ones were crunching on this stuff. Hey, Mamba, here we go. Okay. All right, girl. Now you bring those little ones up here. Let me bring some water over. But yeah, I just got done looking at the radar. And I didn't bring up any fresh water. So this will have to do if those kittens can actually reach into it. Put it down a little bit of a hollow here. A little bit of a slant. Okay. But yeah, I can actually see one of the other kittens back in here. Just a little bit of white back in here. And I got Spirit just down here rubbing up on my legs. Something fierce. Okay, guys. Yeah, I know, China. Okay. Let's go on back over here. We need those kittens to come up and eat before the rain comes back. So yeah, hours uploading a half-hour video. And okay, so I forgot what I was. Yeah, I did have something else in mind that I wanted to really quickly talk about, but seeing these little kittens back here kind of diverted my attention. Come on up. That squirrel? Who's that? Or Tiny? Hey now, come on. Spirit, let's be cool, huh? We don't need any issues, Abe. Hi. Tiny. Just leave him alone, okay, Spirit? Damn. Want to be the center of attention again, don't you? Huh? Oh, yeah, alright. Big man on campus, top dog. I'm wanting to say that we're getting that ball of light coming back out. And, you know, I cannot. Let's just go ahead and look at this because, you know, yeah, all right. We walk in together, we walk out together. Although I just might hang out for a little while. Nope, so I'm staying up here. Hey, I'm not going down there. Anyways, yeah, we're still under all this blanketing. Nothing to be seen. But the lighting out here does continue to fluctuate. Come on, guys. Doggone it. Come on. Come on, let's get back up here. Ah, see, they're wanting to tag along with me, and okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just pop a squat here. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's get back up here. Come on. And yeah, I don't know what's occurring, but not only is there these technical issues that's kicking off, but hi, girl. Hi. There we go. No, there's nothing in there. Hey, Tiny. Hey, buddy. So, anyways, so my brother sent me a link to, you know, text form to a short video on YouTube. And so I went ahead and clicked on that link through our text messaging, and it would not go through. It just buffered and buffered and buffered. And and I think I've actually come to the realization of what's kicking off. And once again, you know, this is artificial intelligence, this is Google, and a lot of their nonsense that keeps happening through them. And the reason why it might be taking so long for this video to upload is because they have been bombarding me with so much spam, email-wise. Oh, just add a B over here. That it's been filling up my storage. Google Photos, of course. You know, copying everything that I record and whatnot. Filling up storage over at Google Photos to where, you know, going through my emails today, which I have not done in a while, and which there's 49 notifications from YouTube over comments and replies, okay? But my storage is filling up really quick over there on Google Photos. Oh, and there goes Jayhawk, I think. He was over my head and I didn't even realize it. But anyways, so there's this lagging and this buffering that's been kicking off, and of course, you know, once again, this has not been the occurrence until the onset of AI, and especially after the announcement from Google that they let their system run amok, okay? And apparently that is still the case. And more people are starting to experience a lot of issues recently through our technologies, okay? Okay, so furthermore, as far as trying to watch that short video that my brother sent me a link to, and it lagging and buffering, well, that is the same as how I've been feeling today. Like, I've been lagging. Today's actually been going very, very slow as far as it feels time-wise. Of course, my uploading process has been going on forever, but once again, does that have anything to do with storage? And, you know, or like I had replied to a comment made by Adam Truthfinders, maybe maybe it's because of something that I said. Well, this video that has been taking forever to upload today, I say quite a few things. And this is the video that's taken forever to post. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and leave it at that. We got China. She's actually going to town on this leftover food. And, well, we got, oh, who is it? Okay, PJ. That's over here munching down. Oh, okay, Spirit. Where are you headed off to, buddy? He's upset because I'm ignoring him. And, oh, okay. Spirit, leave her alone. Hey, dude. Yeah, that's not cool either. But, oh, well, okay. There, once again, I'm just, slow down. Yeah, it's possible. I'm probably wasting a lot of food once again out here. But it's one of those situations to where it's now or never, and if they, more or less filled up this morning, they're not wanting to, or they won't be wanting to. So where are you headed to? Going over here with the rest of them, huh? They're all right in this location. Yeah. Alright, yeah. And, well, yeah, I'm getting pelted by drops right now. Things just coming off the leaves and whatnot. Wind's picking up, so that means that, gee, something might be moving in. And here I am hearing an aircraft up overhead as I speak. There's no sense in me even pointing the camera up there because he won't see nothing. Oh, and here comes the big bad wolf. Checking out the situation, and he's looking back in the direction of where the kittens are. Okay. Yeah, I'd like to walk on there past him, see if I could, get a good visual on the kittens, but I don't want to be spooking them off and scattering them throughout this dense foliage out here. What you doing, girl? Yeah, settling down right alongside me. So settling down right alongside me. Tiny's back here, snaking around. Probably a little upset because I didn't pay him much attention so far. Okay, he's going up to... See, it's like he always waits for everyone else to finish, and then he'll go ahead and jump in. But at least we got some good separation between these guys. And okay, more droplets coming down. Wind's picking up a little bit more. Yeah, I might have to scoop some of this back up. Now, once again, this is the kind of stuff that, the cats put me through. And it is, yeah, it's feeling like it's moving in. Once again, I did just look at my radar app, or the radar app that's downloaded onto this device. Man, I really want to sneak down there. You know what? I think we'll We'll do that real quick. Hiya, Wolf. How you doing, buddy? Huh? You're alright. You're okay, bud. Here. Go ahead. I'm gonna sneak down here. See if we can see these guys. Yeah, and I'm out here in my sandals today. Yeah, I got a little bit of soul rot kicking off with my moccasins. Okay, we're gonna pause this. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, what do we got? Okay, oh, okay. Blue Jays a little upset. What's up, Spirit? Huh? Yeah, you guys are just following me wherever I go, aren't you? Huh? That's my boy. I heard you up here having words with Wolf. Not very cool. Yeah, I think they scattered. Not because of me. Oh, I sure would like to find them. But it appears as though we're getting more rain coming down. You can go ahead and eat, girl. It's alright. Go ahead. Yeah. Well, it's alright. I know. Well, drag them up here. Okay? But you guys got to stay separate. Okay? Yeah. I'm sorry, Wolf. Nothing against you, right? Right, buddy? Okay? It's just you and Spirit, man. You guys got... I know. It's... Just be cool, okay? Come on now. Alright? Yeah, I know, dude. Alright? What's the matter, Tiny? Huh? Really? Okay. Of course, Spirit's over here. Oh, he's, very disgruntled now. We're gonna scoop some of this back in. We'll bring it back out later. If there is a later. Oh. Alright. Okay. Wipe off my hands. There's still plenty. We still got plenty out here. I just want to conserve a little. What's the matter, Tiny? Huh? Tiny. Yeah, okay. Gotta make sure that... Okay. Yeah, there we go. It's alright, buddy. Spirit. You guys are both good guys, okay? Alright? Well, hi. Hi, Screamer. There we go. Come on up, Screamer. It's okay. Okay, now we got some of these other ones that's starting to wander up. I'm gonna go ahead and back off, and before this rain starts coming in, I guess I better, yeah, let these more timid ones get up here and do their eating. Okay, now we got Greystoke back here. So Greystoke, yeah, coming up to eat, Gray? Huh? Greystoke? Okay. Here we go. Oh, there he went. I moved too much. Anyways, yeah, Blue Jays is coming up. you coming up? Is that Tux? Yeah. Hi, Tux. Better get in there and do your crunching and munching. Yeah, I guess I'll stay up here for a little bit longer. And you're okay. It's all right. Here, you want this? Yeah, almost set it there. Huh? You're all right. Come on up. No, still have not picked out a name for her. Okay, Wolf is back over here. Good enough. Okay, I think we're going to go ahead and let these guys finish up. I don't know why I like to document this stuff. You know. Oh, come on, Blue Jay. There you are. I knew it. I could feel you. Yeah. Oh, I'm back in here. Oh. Yeah. Slowly sneaking up, and which, oh. Hi there. Where you at? Of course, probably won't. Okay, yeah. Can you see him up in here? Anyways, yep. That Blue Jay's becoming less and less timid. Getting more and more used to me. I don't know if I captured him or it on camera. It doesn't matter, you know. It's just I guess more proof of, you know, my interactions out here with these cats and the rest of the wildlife. Becoming more and more connected with nature, you know. Yeah, we got something that's going on over here. It's gotten this one's attention. So back here, possibly the Blue Jays. And as far as Screamer back here in the back, last night this one was out and about for hours going after insects under the glow of our floodlights out back. Regular little hunter, or huntress, I should say. Boy. Yeah, he's sticking right close to me. Okay. Wolf is wandering off. And Greystoke is finally moving in. Decided to go over to that feeding spot. Which, of course, I can understand, because that is the past feeding ground area, and that is, you know, what they're accustomed to. And so that's why it just feels right for them to eat over there, not over here where, you know, I basically set up shop. Just like, you know, within farming, how you rotate the crops. I try to do the same as far as the feeding ground, just to encourage growth to reestablish out here. And yeah, thought I seen another blue jay fly up, or might have been the same one coming back around. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there's I'd like to know what it is back here that's attracted this blue jay so much. Keeps going down one specific area. Right back there beyond these flowers. Oh, okay. I got it. That's what it is. It's got a favorite log that it's using to open, to crack open nuts and stuff. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what he's doing. Yeah, he's right down on the ground. Okay, oh, he's back. Yeah, back in here. Just barely able to see. There he goes. Okay. All right. Yeah, there's. Oh, just blew off. Okay. Oh no, he's still back here. Jay, is that you? Come on up. Yeah, that just might be Jayhawk. Because if it's got um, a regular visitation site, then that means that it's well accustomed to my presence and it knows me and therefore flying up around me. Makes perfectly logical sense. Gotta love it. Man, you are just like right up tight with Jimmy. Dang. I mean, he is like, his whole body is like right tight. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we've got us a very deep, loving bond. Oh, all right. I guess this has gone on long enough, huh? Half hour, or better. And I guess, yeah. This is just filler content, people, until the real fun stuff comes along through overhead activities and all that. Okay, good. Having some water there. Yeah, I think and now it just feels like I don't know. Maybe this is the calm before the storm that we've got right now. And speaking of which, from what it sounds, tonight we could be in for a bit of severity. Um, it's quite undetermined at this point, but that's kind of what it is sounding like. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end this. I'm going to stay out here for a little bit longer. Oh, okay. No, I thought I. Okay, I'm seeing movement back here. Yeah, wolf might be back here with the little ones. I don't know. 'Cause I'm seeing movement back. Hmm. Okay. Surprised on the other cats. Well, they're all scattered about. I'm now starting to see more and more. Ooh, ooh! I just got a nice quick essence of. Well, I'll just say an herbal essence that floated on by. I know it's not these flowers, but it might be considered a flower to many. What, Screamer? Huh? Yeah, I caught you. You were watching me. Yeah, and she was watching me last night through my bedroom window. Or, as I was watching her. Oh, get your foot out of there. Here, here, let me tilt this. Let me tilt it. Okay? There. Okay? Yeah. Still watching me. I guess we'll go ahead and end it here. And enough is enough, right? Yeah, maybe you've enjoyed it. If not, it doesn't matter. I'm just, providing a little bit of filler before any fun should roll along. Oh, oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, he was flying up. Okay, you can hear another one talking up here. You hear that? But yeah, I think that might have been Jay that was flapping his way up here, and yeah, they're talking. I don't know. I might have to just kind of back up a little bit more. Yeah, they're coming around. And Jayhawk, he's a stout bird, So there's not much mistaken. He's a mature blue jay for certain. Come on, buddy. Yeah, I'll pause it for a second. You hear him talking. Okay, what we got up here? I think I have got a couple of birds up here, but they're not blue jays. Might be just a couple of sparrows. I'm not certain. And which, yeah, once again, um, a lot of different varieties of birds come out here. To feast on the leftovers, to play in the water. You know, um, always more than welcome. Whatever. Hey, PJ, sneaking back up, huh? Yeah, okay. I don't. Yeah. Okay, so who do we have? Snake. Oh, is that China? That might be China girl. You know the way these cats are. I mean, now Spirit, he's over here eating some of that leftover food that got wet earlier. So yeah, maybe I know they miss my pancakes, but the store downtown just does not have the ingredients that is necessary for me to make anything for these guys. So that's why I'm having to resort to dry cat food like this, which of course my cooking is much more healthier and beneficial than this dry cat food. Yeah, I think the Blue Jays are upset because I'm still out here and they want to come up or come down. All right, yeah, man, I am so out of it today. I got to a point to where I just kicked back, shut my eyes for a little while. Didn't nap out or anything. Just trying to regain some energy. Okay, yeah, this is gonna do it. We will end it right here and call it good. And if you watch all this, cool. Thank you, appreciate it. Otherwise, have yourselves a great. Hi, buddy. Made your presence known. Oh, thank you, Jayhawk. Come on up. Okay. Hi, Jayhawk. That you, buddy? Huh? Yeah, go ahead. It's all right. Yep, I was standing up, kind of freaked him out. Okay, there we go. Okay, there. Now I can go ahead and end this, just like with my sky observation recording, to where I feel that that first sighting of streamer or trail activity, and then all of a sudden, boom, there it is, and it's like, okay, good enough. Now I got my proof, and there was my little bit of nature proof right there with him coming up like that. Um, and it is a different experience when I am not recording. Okay, there is more interaction and more closeness, but that was awesome. That made my day right there. Oh hey, he's come back. Okay, there we go. That's Blue or Jay, Jayhawk, right? Yep, that's Jayhawk. Good looking guy. Thank you. Okay, I'm done now. I got I got this guy coming up, so that is just too cool. I'm going to go ahead and end this recording now, and we'll leave it at that. Yeah, he is eating the cat food. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. No, he just flew up because I went to stand up again. But very cool, very cool. And of course, the food. I know, buddy. Well, he is rubbing up on me bigly. Oh, there we go, buddy. Hi. Um, so cool. So freaking cool. But I think yeah, I'm done now. I'm going to head on up. Um, yeah. Back again. There. Now I got him without, without having to stand up. Alright. So once again, all take care. And we'll meet again at some given point back here on the flip side. Thank you again for watching. It is much appreciated.